and also my partner, my good friend is Elvish bhai.
Yes.
मेरे को थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी आता है.
See, आता है.
Because in this show you don't know what food will come.
Yeah.
This is the things. If you know what's come, everyone will get ready. Hey guys, it's Abdul Razak. You guys are watching me from India Forums.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Well, hello and welcome to India Forums. इस वक्त मेरे साथ मौजूद है अब्दू रोज़िक और बिग बॉस के बाद और इनके बुर्गिर वाले ब्रांड के बाद आज हम इनसे पहली बार मिल रहे हैं. एंड गेस व्हाट, आफ्टर बिग बॉस ही केम विद अ ईटिंग वाला थिंग ओनली, बुर्गिर. And now also we are going to see him in a cookery show. अब्दू, how did you decide? कैसे decide किया आने के लिए यहाँ पे?
Actually, before I was in Big Boss,
हाँ.
I'm helping the girls for chopping.
हाँ.
And after they said me there is laughter chef, you want to come? I told why not? I love to do, and I'm so much happy I come back to Colors TV.
Yes.
And I'm trying to doing good, and also my partner, my good friend is Elvish bhai.
Yes. But Elvish and we've seen that there is a language problem between you and Elvish, okay? Because you don't understand his language, he doesn't understand yours.
Yeah.
How are you managing that?
But we are trying to managing. मेरे को थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी आता है.
See, आता है.
If I push myself, I can speak little bit.
Correct.
But we are trying to understand each other how to cook.
Correct.
I think we are doing good.
अब्दू, कभी-कभी क्या होता है ना, जब खाना बनाते हो, so you forget an ingredient or you forget something, so you have to steal it from others. So who is doing it? You are doing it or Elvish is doing it?
Actually, stealing. I think
He can do.
sometime he's doing, sometime me. Both of us.
Both of us are doing stealing. Well, I want to ask
But-
you. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Tell me,
No,
continue on this.
but I think I don't remember if I steal or
Huh.
not steal. But I
But
think.
we'll see in the episode.
But I don't remember. But mostly I'm saying Elvish bhai, you go make sure.
अब्दू को blame नहीं लेने का अपने ऊपर. अब्दू, also इस season में ना, there are contestants from last season also.
Yeah.
So who do you think cooks better food?
Actually, in here there is like lot of people they knows.
Yeah.
But actually, the dish is Indian dish.
Yes.
If it's my country dish, 100% I will know it.
What dish, your country dish that you will know and nobody will know yours?
There is actually so many dish I know. It's my country dish. It's one of them is like some what's called
बिरयानी जैसा कुछ?
Biryani,
You told me
yes,
last time. I
yes,
remember. बिरयानी. तो बिरयानी बनाने का मौका मिला है यहाँ पे? You
uh,
made biryani here or no?
kind of that.
Kind of. Okay. Well, lastly, Abdu, we also have seen Harpal sir and Kashmira ji का
Yes.
जो चलते रहता है ना, the romantic
Yeah.
angle and all of that. Abdu, in the last season you tried, teasing Shaleen, है ना? तो इस season are you going to do that with Harpal sir?
I will 100%. I love to be naughty.
We love to see naughty Abdu. जाते जाते मैं पूछना चाहूंगी, has your friend Shiv Thakur or anybody give you tips कि भाई वहाँ पे जाके ये do use this tip or that?
Actually, no, because in this show you don't know what food will come.
Yeah.
This is the things. If you know what's come, everyone will get ready. They cook, but the food is come. If you sometime maybe you get ready for another food, different food will come. He doesn't know.
Wonderful. Well, Abdu, we're very excited to see you.
Thank you so
जाते
much.
जाते fans को you want to say something to the fans?
Thank you so much for supporting. Lot of love and keep support us for the Laughter Chef.
Laughter Chef. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Abdu, for talking to us.